few sneaker moments feel as historic as Steph Curry's split from Under Armour, and that weight makes the UA Curry 13 especially meaningful. As the final chapter of a legendary partnership, the model steps away from familiar formulas and leans into bold expression. The spotlight, however, belongs to the yellow colorway. Drenched head to toe in vivid yellow, the shoe delivers instant energy, echoing Curry's on-court spark and fearless shooting range. The animated geometry first seen on the Curry 7 evolves here with sharper lines and playful movement, while the three-piece flow midsole keeps elite cushioning and grip intact. Curving splash extensions rise into the upper for containment, complemented by a fabric build with teardrop cutouts revealing breathable mesh beneath. Among the initial monochromatic releases, yellow stands tallest, bright, loud, and impossible to ignore. It's a fitting send-off, optimistic, confident, and unmistakably Curry. A signature moment bathed in yellow before an era ends.